Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add, remove, rearrange and resize toggles. First, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and access Control Center. Now enter the editing mode. Hold anywhere, long press on an empty space in the Control Center and you will move to edit mode. Now tap the minus button next to the toggle or widget to remove it. If you want to remove any widget, tap on minus app. Now rearrange and tap and hold a toggle or widget and then drag it where you want to arrange it to new position. Release your finger when satisfied with its new position. Now resize, tap and hold the widget tab, move your finger outwards to make it big. Now move your finger outward to increase the size or inward to decrease it. To increase or decrease the size, simply move it outward or inward like this to increase or decrease the size, as you can see. Now after doing all these things, if you want to add a new control, tap on add a control and from here browse the available toggle buttons and add it to your control center. After adding, drag to the new toggle to reposition it, resize it by adjusting the tab and simply save it. So that's it. That's how you'll add, arrange, remove or resize toggles. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.